Hi friends, welcome to Everyday Moves. I am your teaching artist, Miss Nami. Let's have fun moving and imagining together. Today, we'll use paper sticks to make shapes and create our own rhythm. Let's roll it up tightly, like a pencil. Keep rolling all the way to the end, nice and strong. Now grab your rubber bands and wrap one around the top and another around the bottom. This will keep your stick together. Look at that, your very own rhythm stick. Great job. Let's make another one. Roll up newspaper, wrap it around with rubber bands at both ends. Now you have two sticks to play with. Perfect. Now let's move a whole body with our rhythm sticks. Let's tap our rhythm sticks nice and gentle. Now a little louder. That's called dynamics. Tap up high in the middle and down low. High, middle, low. Yes, we are making rhythm. High, middle, and low. Tap a little softer and louder. Softer and louder. What lines do you see? Straight lines in front, up high, and to the side. How about a diagonal line? Tilt your body. Now the line is longer. Up, sideways, tilt your body, diagonal line. Make an arch like a rainbow. Tap 2 times, slow. Now tap faster and draw a curvy line on the floor. Try it in front of you. Now up above your head. Do you remember the squiggly line? Circle your arms around and around. Excellent. Let's learn some new words before we start our dance. Shape. What our body or objects make. Let's march in place and tap your rhythm sticks together. Let your heel touch, open your arms wide and tap up at the top. Let's do it again. March and heel step. Get a little wider with your feet. Tap down once and switch. Tap up, switch. One more big tap at the top. Open up your arms. Turn your body to one side, tap 3 times. Can you tap a little faster? Now, scoop, frame your face, open up your arms. Scoop, frame your face, open up your arms. Now, show me your favorite shape. Freeze and pose. Make any shapes you want with your rhythm sticks and your body. Freeze and pose. You can maybe balance on one leg. Excellent. Let's try one more time. March in place. Heel touch. March in place. Heel touch. Tap once, low. Now high, high, and at the top. Here comes 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. A little faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Scoop, frame your face. Now open. Again. Scoop, frame your face, and open. Now show me your favorite shape. Freeze and pose. Any shapes you want with your rhythm sticks and your body. Excellent. Now let's try with music. Again, one more time, and have fun with your rhythm sticks. We listened to sound with our shakers. We drew lines with our scarves. And we built shapes that move with our rhythm sticks. Thank you for dancing with me. What shape does this remind you of? Square, triangle, circle. That's right, triangle.